Good day everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel where I talk about everything relating to finance, including crypto and NFTs. In this video, I'll be talking about how you can win a share in the ongoing $1 million giveaway on Binance. Before I go further, I want you all to subscribe, like this video, tap on the notification icon. This challenge is hosted by Chiliz in partnership with Binance. And for those that don't know what Chiliz is, I'll be explaining everything about the Chiliz blockchain and how you can benefit from it during this World Cup tournament. Chiliz is the world leading blockchain fintech provider for sports and entertainment. Chiliz developed the Socials.com sports fan engagement platform, which is built on the Chiliz blockchain infrastructure and uses CHZ as its exclusive off-platform currency. Socials.com allows fans to purchase branded fan tokens from some of the biggest and most renowned sports teams in the world, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Saint-Germain, AS Roma, Galatasaray, Atletico de Madrid, OG, CAI, and UFC. Fan tokens bought on the Socials.com allows users to influence their teams via popular votes and become eligible for engagement-based teams reward and recognition. All fan tokens are minted using the Chiliz blockchain, and all on-platform voting is executed on a series of smart contracts which runs through the Chiliz blockchain. Now, how can you qualify for this challenge? Firstly, you must have a Binance account. If you don't have one, there's a link in the description where you can sign up. Then secondly, you must go to the Chiliz Twitter handle. And thirdly, you have to locate the tweet explaining how you can take part in this challenge. For the first challenge of $15,000 in CHZ, you have to guess the correct score of Qatar versus Ecuador to win a share of the prize pool. Click the link in the tweet and you get redirected to the Binance page where you have to log in and predict the scoreline between the two teams. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. Have a nice day, guys.